we set out to answer a strange question. Can humans create a thunderstorm? And it turns out, yes. Not in the clean, cinematic way, but in the messy, complicated, almost accidental way that defines most of human progress. We've learned to build clouds, stir the sky, even call down lightning. Not with divine power, but with exhaust pipes, electric pulses, and a touch of scientific audacity. The weather is no longer a distant mystery. It's becoming a side effect of our machines, our inventions, our obsession with control.